OpenTable tutorial, how to use OpenTable for the restaurants. So first of all, just a short explanation. OpenTable is a platform that allows restaurants to manage reservations, track guest data, optimize table availability, and for restaurant owners, OpenTable provides a web dashboard or tablet app where you can view upcoming reservations. With that, you can add new bookings manually, manage cancellations, while the system also helps you monitor table occupancy in real time. So you can set dining durations and manage special requests, making it easier to run a smooth operation during the busy hours. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and use OpenTable, you're gonna go ahead and create your own account. So create an account, you're gonna use an email or a number, pretty much depends on you, what you prefer. And once you log in, you can go ahead into your restaurant dashboard and you can set up your table layout and availability schedule. So you can go ahead to the for businesses option here first. So with that, once configured, incoming reservation from diners through the OpenTable app or website will appear automatically. You can confirm or go ahead and adjust bookings, communicate with guests, and track trends such as peak hours or repeat diners. So if you're planning to use OpenTable for your restaurant, you can go ahead and just choose the get started option right here. So you're gonna have to put in your details like your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, your restaurant name, the job title, number of restaurant locations, and why you are contacting them. You can go ahead and submit and then you can get started once they respond to you. So OpenTable also offers reporting tools to analyze diner preferences, no-shows, and review new trends. You can take a look at their instructions on how to do and how to use their specific tools. So with that, it helps you make data-driven decisions to improve service and maximize occupancy. So it's very user-friendly. You can go ahead and explore the website or the app itself for you to be able to make use and optimize the entire service to your own liking. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.